Greetings everyone. Thank you so much for tuning in. In today's video, I'll be talking about the 5 most important tips that you must know before you start investing. So let's start. So number 1 is to have a goal. Remember that it might be a long-term or a short-term goal, but having one is very important. You might have a goal of wealth creation or having a monthly income. A goal can be as specific as child's education, child's marriage, or starting a new venture. But it is important to have realistic expectations and accept the time frame of the return. Investing bears its fruits with time, so be patient. Once your goals are in place, the second step is to have a budget. Even when we go for grocery shopping, we have a budget in mind. Similarly, in investing, one must be aware of their cash flows and their investing capacities. The third one is to setting up an emergency fund and having your insurances at place. You cannot afford to drain out all your investments in case of an emergency. Hence, your insurances will take care of that scenario. So now that we know where we stand financially, it is important to evaluate your risk profile. Remember, this step is the most useful one because this will decide which financial instrument is most suitable for you. Factors like our budget, our age, our income, and our financial goals determine our risk profile. Your risk profile might be high, moderate, or low. If you're unable to determine in which category you fall in, you can always consult your financial advisor. Last but not the least, know your basics. You must know about terms like stocks, bonds, mutual funds, etc. Though with a financial advisor, it is easy to navigate through all these terms, but even then, you must be aware where you are putting your money into. So keeping these 5 tips in your mind, you can start with your investment journey. Be aware and don't hesitate to ask for help. Your financial partners, Investorscope Financials.